Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, we're again in English Year 3 and we're still in Module 1 and today we're going to learn about my friends. Okay, so the main skill for today's lesson is reading. Reading. What is reading? Yes, membaca. Reading. Look at the crocodile. This crocodile is reading. At the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to first, number 1, read and understand a short passage. Number 2, answer comprehension questions. Okay, we're going to refer to textbook page 8. Okay, this is page 8. Okay, now before we read, let's listen first. Okay, you read silently. Okay, baca diam-diam dalam hati je, diam-diam. Listen first, dengar dulu.
Module 1, Our World, Social Studies. My friends. My name's Chris. I'm 10 years old. My favorite sport is football. I can play football very well. This is my friend Kelly. She can't play football, but she can paint beautifully.
Okay, so look at the first picture. Before that, the title is My Friends. Okay, my friends. Friends are kawan-kawan. Okay, jadi kawan-kawan saja. My name's Chris. Nama Chris. I'm 10 years old. My favorite sport is football. What is football? Okay, you can see the picture. This is a ball. Football is bola sepak. I can play football very well. Boleh main dengan baik. Okay, now let's look at picture number 2. This is my friend Kelly. Kawan nama Kelly. She can't play football. She cannot play football, but she can paint beautifully. Melukis dengan cantik. Melukis mengecat dengan cantik. Okay, next. Listen first.
This is my friend Gary. He can't paint, but he can do karate. This is my friend Sam. He loves swimming. He can swim very well. He can dive too.
Okay. This is my friend Gary. This is Gary. He can't paint, tak boleh melukis, mengecat, but he can do karate. Okay? Karate. This is my friend Sam. He loves swimming. Swim. Berenang. He can swim very well. He can dive too. Dive. What is dive? Menyelam. Okay, so we're going to learn some vocabulary. The first one is do karate. Repeat after me, ikut teacher. Do karate. Do karate. Okay, this girl is doing karate. Second is dive. 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 Okay, I told you just now, dive is menyelam. Okay, next is paint. Paint. Paint, melukis, mengecat. Okay. And last one is football. Football. What is football? Yes, I know you know it. Okay, so the task, please refer to your module. Okay, this page, look at this page first. Okay, we will do 4 pages today. Okay, 4 pages. Okay. Now, look at this page first. Okay, let's read together. Read after me. My name's Chris. I'm 10 years old. My favorite sport is football. I can play football very well. Okay, so there are 3 questions here. Okay, look at number 1. What is my name? Okay, what is my name? Here is the answer. My name's Chris. Right, so you write down the answer. My name's Chris here. My name's Chris. Okay, number 2. How old am I? Berapa umur saya? Okay, which one? Good. Here. I'm 10 years old. I'm 10 years old. Okay, you can put here the answer. Okay, write down here. Tulis kat sini jawapan. Number 3. What is my favorite sport? What is my favorite sport? Sukan kegemaran saya. My favorite sport is football. My favorite sport is football. Okay, write down here. Okay, it's okay if you don't understand. Teacher, saya baca saya tak faham. It's okay, but you can look at the words. Okay, ada perkataan yang sama di atas. Like this one, as number 1, my name. Okay, you can search. Oh, my name. So should be this one. This sentence is the answer. Old. How old am I? Okay. Years old. Okay. Old. There's old here. So this one should be the answer. Favorite sport. Favorite sport. So this sentence should be the answer. Okay. Number 2. Okay. This is page number 2. This is my friend Kelly. She can't play football, but she can paint beautifully. Okay, here are the questions. Who is this? Siapa ni? So the answer is, this is my friend Kelly. Okay, then please answer number 2 and number 3. Remember, can't, can. Okay. Number 3, the third page. This is my friend Gary. He can't paint, but he can do karate. Okay, answer the 3 questions. And the last page. This is my friend Sam. He loves swimming. He can swim very well. He can dive too. Okay, please answer the questions. After you finish, like usual, macam biasa, PM me the answers. Okay? So, thank you. See you again. We will be meeting all of you next week. Okay? I can't wait to meet all of you. Okay? Bye-bye.